Good morning. Today is the day of truth. We are going to figure out whether the Tartine Bread English muffin or the Artisan sourdough made simple English muffin recipe is the best. Our family has been eating both for a while, but we have not compared them side by side to know which one truly is the best. So we made both the recipes last night, and this morning we're gonna have them for breakfast. Everyone has whatever toppings they wanted, but they have the same on both ones. Their plates are labeled tea and egg, as you can see here, to know which one. Mine is the one that's half butter and half Nutella. My husband's is just butter. There's butter and jelly. There is just butter, and there's just Nutella. Okay, let's the testing begin.
I'm going for A.
Yeah, A.
Okay, everyone try A.
A bit softer. Good crunch.
It's good.
Yeah.
Buttery.
Okay, so it's soft. Okay, now take a bite of the other one. Take a bite of tea for tartine bread.
A bit harder to bite. That's still pretty good.
They're both yummy.
First,
You like the first one better?
I like the tea more better.
Which one?
Tea.
The tea?
I don't like good flavor.
The tea's got more of a weedy flour flavor, but the A has more buttery flavor.
Which one do you like more?
This one.
You like A better?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
Because it's in my name.
It's in your name. Is it because it has to be because it tastes better? Does it taste better?
Mm-hmm.
Or does the other one taste better?
This one tastes better.
So A tastes better?
This
Okay.
one has some flavor and more. This one's more harder to bite.
Yeah, that one's stiffer and
Tougher.
it's tougher. Yeah.
This one's easier.
Yeah. What else, Arlen?
Yeah. They have more flavor.
Which one has more flavor?
Tea.
Tea has more flavor. Okay. So it's a hard decision because they both taste very similar. The tartine bread one has always had a little bit more of a crust to it, a little tougher. And the Artisan bread made simple one is more delicate. And so it's softer and easier to chew. But the flavor is almost the same. The Artisan one also has butter and milk in it. And the tartine bread one is just flour, water, and salt. And then it has a little bit of yeast in the poolish. So it has simpler ingredients with the tartine bread one. Okay, and which one's your favorite?
So the A, I like the butter flavor. English muffins are a favorite of mine. So the extra buttery flavor is definitely my go-to. Not that the tartine isn't good. It is good. But I like the extra butter flavor for me.
Okay. As you can see, they're both very good. My family's finishing them up now, and they seem very content. I am probably just slightly more an A too, because I like that it's a little softer to chew into. And part of that is because the Artisan bread recipe is with all-purpose flour, and the tartine bread one has bread flour and all-purpose flour. So it is going to be like a firmer one. The tartine bread also does puff up more than the other one, but once you cut it, it's not really that noticeable. That's our review on the tartine bread and the Artisan sourdough made simple English muffin recipes. They're both yummy and delicious.